5 cool things you can do on ChatGPT. Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at 5 cool things you can do on ChatGPT. Let's get right into it. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that can help you learn about various topics. For instance, if you're struggling to understand the IPv6 header, you can ask ChatGPT to explain it to you in a simple and detailed manner. In essence, ChatGPT serves as a virtual tutor that can answer your questions and provide you with the explanations you need to comprehend complex topics. Whether you're curious about science, history, technology, or any other subject, ChatGPT can assist you in expanding your knowledge and understanding. Let's explore the capabilities of ChatGPT and discover the 5 coolest things it can do. Number 1. Writing code. ChatGPT's functionality can be useful for programmers, whether they are experts or beginners. If you're struggling to write code for a specific problem, you can ask the AI chatbot for assistance. What's remarkable about ChatGPT is that it can write code in various programming languages. You can specify which programming language you want to use and ChatGPT will generate the code for you. This can save you time and effort, especially if you're still learning the basics of coding. In addition to writing code, ChatGPT can also help you debug your code. You can ask it to analyze your code and provide suggestions on how to improve it. With ChatGPT's help, you can become a more efficient and effective programmer. Number 2. Explaining in a particular style. Aside from its practical uses, ChatGPT can also be a source of entertainment. If you're in the mood for something lighthearted, you can ask the AI chatbot to explain things to you in a particular style. For instance, you can request ChatGPT to list the top 10 movies of all time in the style of a cowboy from old westerns. This feature is not only entertaining, but also showcases ChatGPT's flexibility and ability to mimic different styles of communication. Whether you want to hear a scientific explanation in the voice of a cartoon character, or a history lesson in the tone of a pop culture icon, ChatGPT can deliver it with precision and humor. So, have some fun and unleash your creativity by requesting ChatGPT to explain things to you in a unique and amusing style. Number 3. Great for study. One of the most valuable benefits of ChatGPT is its ability to assist students in solving homework and assignment questions. Regardless of whether you're in high school or university, ChatGPT can provide you with the support you need to excel in your studies. If you're struggling to complete an assignment or need help with a specific problem, you can turn to ChatGPT for assistance. It can provide you with step-by-step explanations, offer useful tips, and clarify any confusion you may have. What's more, ChatGPT can provide guidance in a wide range of topics including math, science, literature, and more. Using ChatGPT to help you with your assignments can save you time and reduce your stress levels. Instead of spending hours searching for answers, you can get instant support from ChatGPT and focus on understanding the concepts. With ChatGPT's assistance, you can achieve academic success and feel more confident in your abilities. Number 4. Creative assistance. ChatGPT's abilities extend beyond practical applications and homework assistance. It can also assist with creative endeavors such as music and writing. For instance, if you're a songwriter and struggling to come up with lyrics or a melody, you can ask ChatGPT to help you out. You can provide the AI chatbot with a topic or theme, and it will generate a song with decent lyrics, and even come up with accompanying chords. In addition to music, ChatGPT can also help with writing. You can request it to generate a story, poem, or even a script for a play. This feature can be useful for writers who are experiencing writer's block or need inspiration. By utilizing ChatGPT's creative capabilities, you can produce high-quality content with ease and efficiency. Number 5. Content creation. ChatGPT's abilities extend beyond homework assistance and creative endeavors. It can also provide assistance with content creation, especially for YouTube videos and articles. If you're struggling to come up with ideas for your YouTube channel or blog, you can turn to ChatGPT for assistance. It can provide you with ideas for topics and even help you with how to better engage your audience. ChatGPT can also assist with rewriting and expanding your content. If you have a rough draft of an article or script, you can ask ChatGPT to rewrite and expand it for you. This feature can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your content creation process. ChatGPT has become an increasingly popular and powerful tool that has made a significant impact on the world. It's capable of processing vast amounts of data and providing useful insights and solutions in various fields. However, while it's a great and useful tool, some people are also wary of its potential negative implications. The idea that an AI-powered chatbot can mimic human communication and generate responses on its own can be both exciting and terrifying. ChatGPT's abilities have the potential to change the way we approach various aspects of life, from education to healthcare, business, and beyond. Its ability to process vast amounts of data and generate insights in a matter of seconds can save time and increase efficiency in many industries. ChatGPT is an innovative tool that has caught the world by storm. While it has immense potential to revolutionize various fields, it's important to approach its development and use with caution and ethical considerations. That's all for today, and we'll be sure to catch you all in the next one.